When it comes to the house every weekend, when it comes to the house every weekend, house every weekend, house every weekend. I love you, there's no need to fake it, but staying in the house every weekend, I just can't take it. I work hard, and if I don't let myself go, let myself go, let myself go, I just made it, let myself go, let myself go, let myself go, I just made it, when it comes to house every weekend, house every weekend, house every weekend, I work hard, house every weekend, house every weekend, house every weekend, and if I don't let myself go, let myself go, let myself go, I just made it, house every weekend, house every weekend, I love you, there's no need to fake it, but staying in the house every weekend, I just can't take it. I work hard, and if I don't let myself go, let myself go, let myself go, I just made it, let myself go, let myself go, let myself go, I just made it, when it comes to house every weekend, house every weekend, house every weekend, I work hard, house every weekend, house every weekend, house every weekend, and if I don't let myself go, let myself go, let myself go, and if I don't let myself go, let myself go, let myself go, I just made it,
Yo, Chad, what's going on, baby? Welcome back to Wall Street Sessions. As you can see, we got the mighty Mustard Giant here with us today.
Mustard.
The man's bringing the energy. We've got him back for New York session. Chris, you ready for this one, brother?
Keegs, I told you this morning, the mustard guy, Keegan said, Chris, I've never seen you with the mustard. And I said, Keegs, you know what they say about a mustard seed? Those that have faith the size of a mustard seed will move mountains. Chad, so yeah, that's the resemblance of the mustard this afternoon.
There you have it, Chad. There you have it. If you guys were in basically a little bit of the Project G community, you're going to see something we spoke about with the fundamentals coming to light over here, and actually being quite spot on. So we're going to see that probably play out into the session as well. So it's going to be quite an interesting one for us. But nice and ready for it. It is Thursday. We are going to be going into round 8. But I think we still got a little bit to catch here today. Obviously, we had PPI come out now. Tomorrow, obviously, market. So quite an expansive week we've had. But again, doesn't mean it is the end of the week. So we're going to get to it. And before, guys, Jev is okay. You guys don't need to start flooding the chat with that. He has just got some things on today, so he will be back tomorrow. Yeah, he'll be back. So don't worry about the man. We are still going to get some TPs here today. Market's definitely looking good for us. So other than that, I think we can dive right into it. So starting off with PPI, we can just have a look at what came out there. So core inflation came out much lower than expected. They forecast 0.3. We had a 0.0. Then on month, again, 0.1 from a 0.5, and we came out minus 0.2. So quite a big one there. And then unemployment claims, this was the one people were saying was actually going to drop. And again, we kind of saw that bluff coming. This is again links up to that bullshit NFP number we got, was actually the jump again in higher unemployment, which has been the theme right now with the dollar. So there we got a bearish outlook across the board. So we definitely know. But the thing is, going back to what happened with FOMC last night, this is why I said to the guys, we were going to see PPI come out lower. But I said it would probably give you that spike the opposite way. So the indices, gold spiking bullish and then turning bearish again. As I said, you're going to want to see the dollar fight back today. And that's exactly what's been happening. So when we look here with the dollar, what happened was we were trading up the whole day. Turn bullish, bearish. As you can see, Asia lows untested. So that gave us that test. Turn bullish right back above the Asia highs. Never even had a close under Asia highs. Now you've got the daily pivot, EQ, Asia highs, Asia lows tested, and you can start turning bullish nicely to go fill the gap and trade to the top side. So definitely have a bit more of a bullish outlook on the dollar for this session. Then with NASDAQ, we had that little spike, but as you can see, it didn't really hold almost immediately. Traded up. This one though, we have Asia lows tested, but we've got this daily pivot, EQ over there. So on the 30 minutes, this little zone, that's already our target for us. So this is what we want to keep an eye on. This area over here, that's what we want to watch for with NASDAQ. Again, not saying we're bearish, but you want to see that pullback, hold the support. If we are going to go bullish, otherwise the break, and we can see a bit more of a bearish outlook coming back in. But again, that is what's on the card for me with NASDAQ. That's what I want to see happen there. Then over to US 30. US 30 again, we are actually going a more bearish outlook on the technicals, as this being our pullback. If you guys had to go draw your fib from the top here, you will see, I think this lines up perfectly with the 50 if I'm correct. There we go, the 50 on the dot with that resistance area. So we've seen that again, big wicks taking out the highs. There's your flip, and now coming back down. So we want to see the support zone tested and possibly coming all the way back down for these lows, as initially, remember, we didn't get the test yet. This didn't give us the test. We spoke about this, I think, on Monday with DXY. We were expecting that flip because DXY never tested and needed to have that test and then melt off after that. So almost similar, US 30 going to start going down for those lows. So again, same thing here. You tested bullish, coming for these Asia highs. They were untested the whole day, hitting Asia highs, weekly pivot, the 200, and turning bearish. So personally, looking at where US 30 is, I'm not that interested on. For me today, gold, literally trading off. You're going to see the EQ and NASDAQ. These are going to be the plays for us. So NASDAQ turning bearish, aiming for that zone. And then with gold, the last one, we are more bullish, but you can see this little range we had here. This to me is almost in a nutshell the fake out. So we had the big CPI news, came right back. We stayed under the zone. We resisted this time, closed round about the weekly pivot, and that's going to allow us to start trading back down now. So here was your bullish move with the news. You can see I started holding Asia highs, come back down, break under this 30-minute support. Then you got Asia lows and back again to that magical number, 2300. So again, we still haven't actually got away from that number. We are still there. And again, if something's in a range, if you bounce a ball off the roof, it's going to come down and test the floor. So we want to keep an eye on that. So we're going to actually be looking for this. Only time I'm going to look for buys personally is once we may be above Asia highs. If we can hold the support, then I'll look for this resistance to be broken. Other than that, I'm looking for sells today. So over to Chrissy. Let's see what
we're looking for. Sells on gold.
Sells on gold.
Interesting. All right, Chad, let's quickly start off here. Remember, we said this is a key zone, equilibrium, daily pivot. Let me just mark out the zone for us to quickly look at it. So there you go. Throughout the session, we said this was going to be key. We went above, we went below, we are back above. Let's see if we can get a test here during NYSE, during the open. Let's see if we can bang some levels in here on Asia highs, and then I want to see whether we go bullish or bearish. As mentioned, we said PPI was going to come out lower. Remember, it was Ed this morning asking Chris, what's my outlook on PPI? I said PPI is what producers pay for wholesale, and again, came out low as expected. And now my big thing is US 30. Chad, I'm not even making this up. We spoke about this zone this morning. I said I want to see some shorts from here. Did I catch the shorts? Absolutely not. I was not even in the office at this time. But again, these levels are there for a reason. And I'm still bearish. Like I told you guys this morning, I'm bearish on the day. Big question is, where do we get short from here? Asia lows, we've got the previous daily low up here. This is just an horrific chart to look at. So we're going to need to see some type of settlement, some type of formation. But in all honesty, in all my years of trading, anyone that says, oh, this chart is so clean, I can't wait to just get stuck in with this. I'm praying for you, brother. Please, the prayer request wall, there is, I'm actually going to put it in the chat. So if anyone right there, we are actually going to pray for you. Dylan Savage, our head of prayers, let me just put it there. Please get in contact with us. I'm serious now, Chad. There you go. Prayer request has been pinned. NASDAQ as well, just an horrific chart to look at right here. Previous daily high, big one. We're going to need to focus on that level. Otherwise, all of this has become a liquidity grab to start trading lower. And then the big one, gold, obviously, again, weekly pivot, daily pivot, EQ, everything happening here. So that is a key level to monitor for us. And if I go back to the grid, I'm going to say, again, like I previously said, 23.20 and 23.10. These were the levels, actually 23.15. These were the levels that we mentioned. So I'm going to be very comfortable taking shorts below here. Very comfortable taking shorts below there. Not necessarily want to take shorts here off 23.20. And then longs, I'm going to go with Keegs on that one, 23.25, daily pivot. If we can get away from this zone, I'm more than happy to try and look for longs. But let's say this zone here, this is the zone we want to potentially stay out of. This is where things can really get messy. So let's see how we go about it today. But these are the two levels that I'm monitoring. Also, Chad, who remember what I said? I didn't take, again, I wasn't keen to take anything on the pound, but pound has been diverging the entire session. Who remember this zone here when I said, I actually marked it out, go watch this morning's stream. I said if you want to do something, do it here. I didn't do anything there, but that was also quite a big level there. But choppy, Chad, this is not, do not feel like you missed anything here saying, oh, how could I have gotten in here? No, this is messy. This is a low volume market without any clear direction. So please keep your cool. There's no need for you to lose your mind here. Hi Chris, ek het vandag ingekom in die trade op World Markets op PPI en ek het 7.50 na 4.6 gevat. There you go, Arnu. That is, I'll get the horn now. That is beautiful, Chad. 7.50, Arnu, please withdraw that money. Go and spoil your wife, your family, whatever. 7.50 to 4.6, beautiful. That is beautiful. That is what it's about. That 750 to 4.6k for somebody else maybe doesn't mean much. Maybe for Arno it means a lot, but ultimately that is what it's about. So beautiful to see.
What happened now?
Now Arno took 750 to 4.6 with PPI.
There we go, brother.
I'm honest, I didn't expect this on PPI though.
To be fair, bro,
this type of movement, I expected PPI lower, but I didn't expect.
For me, the one thing I'm amazed by, in all fairness, what I really am amazed by, is that PPI, the fact that we came out bearish across the board. Yet, if you look at the indices, even gold, but they all had actually a little bottom wick.
Oh, they did.
They spiked down and then they went bullish.
Yeah.
Because, and the thing is, like I said, the fact that's interesting is obviously there's two news events. So, if unemployment came out lower, I could understand that. But they came out bearish across the board. So that's actually interesting for me.
Oh, jobless. I didn't even see there was jobless claims.
And that came out way higher
Okay.
than what they expected.
Okay.
So that was interesting for me.
Keegs, I said sells below 23.15, buys above 23.25. This for me is a no trade range.
Yeah, for me, sells under 23.10 basically.
Okay, you playing a little bit more safer than me.
Yeah,
okay.
sells under 23.10, buys above
Okay.
23.23.
Chad, there you go. That is the analysis done and dusted for me. We're gonna
What
wait
did you say for indices?
No, I said it's a bad chart to look at. Remember, I went in bearish on the day, and I said I still want to see a top wick. Look at that, Chad. What did I say this morning?
Yeah.
Again, not trying to be a smart ass here, but I've seen it so many times. There, the top wick has been created. This morning I said maybe before NYSE, maybe during NYSE, I said that top wick was going to form. These are little things you pick up as you go. This is what experience will teach you. It's not something I can teach you in a course. This is something you need to see. This is where just time on the charts, just sitting, seeing every day, showing up every day on time, seeing the markets open. You start to develop, I don't even want to say you get experience. It's just some things you've seen.
Yeah.
Some things have happened, and subconsciously you know more or less. But ultimately I'm bearish on the day, but this is some type of range that we are in here, Chad. So interesting. Also I said on a 4 hour, remember I said we broke through the weekly pivot. Yeah, Keegs, 4 hour. Beautiful. How beautiful is this, Chad? If I show my wife this, she would say, what a sexy chart. Look at all of that. Let me become a swing trader. Swing trade me right now in the face with a stop loss. Now, I don't know, bro. What do you like a chart that looks like this?
No, bro, that is...
I don't even... Bro, I feel like I've never traded when I see a chart like this because I can't see anything that I want to trade. And that's
But that's
honesty.
the reality of it, bro. There really is nothing.
Somebody said
The thing is,
Fed
especially for
futures.
US study, like US study for me could trade bullish because it could go for that massive top wick to go full. But at the same time, you've also broken how many levels to the downside. So again, if the PPI data and all that can't hold, dollar's gonna come back.
All right, guys, Project G members, remember last night during the watch party when I said, Paul said the CPI number was encouraging and a PPI number lower would also be encouraging. So look at what happened with Fed futures. Just the day before, we were sitting at 56.7. We've almost jumped 10% now, back to pricing in a September rate cut. And then November, look at November. Okay, November still expecting rates to remain the same as per the September cut, so one cut. And then December, 44.7, so not that big of a jump from 42.4, so still relatively mixed. Big thing now is the September one. I think a lot of guys are going to focus their attention on September. Equity bulls are going to be like, we want that September cut. Can we run the market higher? Nasdaq, obviously Nvidia. If Nvidia was a person, please get that person to a chiropractor because holding up the entire Nasdaq cannot be easy.
But that's the thing for also, like, people, for me, I think that's where we get that divergence with Nasdaq and US study is US study doesn't have an Nvidia to hold it up.
No, that's why I said you could. Arnu mag dalk Project G join. Nee, Project G is too. Yeah, you can't join Project G anymore. We've closed all subscriptions to Project G. It's now basically max capacity, so somebody needs to... You can buy somebody out of their position, but you cannot join it anymore. You literally need to buy somebody out of their seat. No, I'm joking. I don't know. You can join. You can join. No, guys. Project G is open. It's not a once-off thing. It's a monthly membership. It's not a mentorship. It's not a signal service. It is a membership where we can choose whatever we want to do. But there is structure to what we do. Obviously, it's a more intimate community with our members. We do 2 calls a week. Sunday evenings we do the prep call where we go through the markets. That's where you can ask your questions. On Wednesdays we do our call again. That's more educational call. And then once a month on a Saturday we've got a boot camp call. That's going to be anywhere between 2 to 4 hours. And then obviously you get the trade alerts. We actually had a very good meeting with our developer today, Frana. So, hopefully by next week, Chad, for the Project G members, all of the trades we take will be fully automated, sent into the Discord, stream alerts, all of that. So that's going to go live shortly.
Oh, and markets are open, Chad.
Here we go.
Round 8.
Here we go.
Fight.
There we go. Yeah, Chad. And also the indicator, we had another meeting today, just finalizing the indicator as well. So you can literally have a free account. And, dude, there's a lot built into that indicator. So not even me with a paid version. I don't even know what version I have, but I think I've got the one that's 300 Rand a month, 350, and I might even, okay, the only reason I got it is to not have ads, but I can't say I'll go free, because imagine you guys, me analyzing, and every 2 minutes ad pops up. Okay, here we go, boys. Here we go. Keeks, can you quickly throw it over to your screen? Just want to do something here. Let's see. Yes, I like this copyright-free. Where did you get this playlist, Keeks?
I found it under your previously played, brother.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
All right, no, that's good. Copyright free, royalty, all of that.
Yeah, everything, bro. It ticks all the boxes. Mo told me, like, bro, this is the one.
Oh, Chad, just a bad day to be a copyrighted playlist. Afternoon, Matthew. Good afternoon. Not my seat. My seat's permanent. Stefan Grobler. Bevan live auction of my Project G spot. Might call it a week if there's nothing in NYC. Already up 2%. Beautiful, beautiful mark. Yeah, nothing wrong. Nothing wrong with calling it a week. Took a buy on PPE. I'm learning. Alright, there you go. I know when I left, you said you're going to trade it. Did you trade it?
I don't trade it.
Okay.
I wanted to, but I didn't land up on it.
Okay.
What else? What is happening here? So Nasdaq chilling Asia highs, US 39. Alright. That makes logical sense again.
That's a perfectly efficient market, Chad. That's
and gold's bullish. So US 30 is the only one.
Data window, no. Yeah, Chad, we're pushing to get the office ready. That's why I was out here. Very, US 30 getting
US 30's gone in.
clapped. Clapperino. Yeah, so keen for the new offices. Chad, I didn't realize IT guys charge so much in terms of network, like to set up the network. What do you think they charge?
Didn't they really quote you?
No, I know, but what do you think to get network points to every point in the office? Let me show you.
Bro, I have no clue. I wouldn't even know what to think. Like, where do you start with that?
Let me.
Yeah, I genuinely wouldn't even know where you start with that. $5K plus.
Who said? Did you say 5K?
Tandol Wetu, he said 5K plus. Guys, maybe hold on, mate. No, you're joking with that.
I promise you, bro.
Bro, what?
That is literally.
Holy crap.
Yeah.
That is rough, brother. Oh my word.
UB Nano HD Wi-Fi.
I think you can still hold it, bro.
No, Chad, listen here, network points. Or just network to build out the network. Paco, you're very close. There you are. You're very, very close.
I still like this, bro, NASDAQ. I feel like NASDAQ might actually give us a sell. Maybe NASDAQ's going to finally follow USD a bit. Nvidia has to like slack off a bit, bro. Like give it a bit of a pullback. And we haven't had anything yet. There's no event now to hold it up. Hey guys, if we can start breaking Asia lows, I'm going to look at a short here on NASDAQ. Otherwise, anywhere above here, this thing's just taking off again. There's nothing there, bro. Everything's just all over the place.
No, that's what I'm saying. It's not efficient. It's not efficient at all. Depends on how big the office, but average 15 to yes, bro. I was shocked because everything is there. There was a functioning office before we got the office. So the only issue though is the guys that were previously there chased some of the network cables with the electrical cables. So when they had to do the COC, they flipping ripped a lot of the network cables just out of the electrical cables because it's obviously not compliant. But yeah, anyways, so they said get an office. It will be fun, they said. Is that what they said? Yeah, but here's my thing. What I told the guys is I'm not somebody that likes to struggle. Like if we move in there and the internet guys have been there, the ISP, and they connect us up there, then I don't want to struggle and be like, oh, this, that, no. The electricity, no. I will kick electrician in his eye if he wants to charge me 120. Your kicks, you boys are throwing the ads, huh? Sheesh. Yeah, Chad, if we can't get a cheaper quote for the network, you're gonna be eating some ads. We've put it on conservative. You boys have been getting hit with like 4-second ads. You guys are gonna get some 30-second, 1-minute ads. Boys have been getting off light here with those 4-second ads, Keeks.
Watch ya, this is the difference. You gotta find this here quickly.
What is the revenues?
Where's our...
Go down, studio. Yeah. No, down. Yeah. What are you looking for? The copyright?
No, the difference here, bro. What?
No, don't. Why do you want to play that now?
I'm just saying.
No, bro.
Here,
No, please.
Where's...
Like, let's just commit to it now. No, we've committed, bro. Please don't. Yo, Chad, I don't even think we're listening to that YouTube music tomorrow. Like, I'm gonna find... Is that it? Nah, we're not. Kicks, I promise you, my mission tonight is going to be to find a playlist for us.
A playlist for us. What's wrong with this, bro?
Beautiful.
This is gonna keep this is like your pan thing. You can listen to this in eco mode.
Peter, as much as I would love to do the network points off, bro, there's literally not time for. Now I've got a contact that's literally gonna do it for a little more than half of what the other guys quoted. But even still, then it's quite a bit of. I wasn't expecting that.
Chad, I think if anything, the gold bars are gonna be on, yeah.
I must just order another 24 port gigabit switch. Okay, just mute my mic there.
Let's see ya, Chad. Wait for this 50-minute shuffle, then we might take the longs here on gold. Yeah. So looking for our bars around here, guys. Come on, close above.
About that level in gold. If it breaks, it's going bullish. You did. You really did. Is this YouTube music?
No.
Oh, yeah, I wanted to say, like, we're so deep in. Is the web... Did what's her name not say anything yet about the website?
Nah. I told
Did you tell him to push it live?
Yeah, so
Okay.
I told him, and he was like, "Yo, sorry, brother, being a bit tied up." So I was like, "No, all good. Just let me know when you have made it live." And then he just res. So yeah, no, I haven't. We're still waiting, yeah. Yeah, guys, I'm not gonna enter buy there yet. Hello everyone. The Forex funder should shut down, guys. Huh? Can you speak English, my brother?
I think he's saying the Forex funders should shut down and then like pause, guys. They scammed me. Yeah, the Forex funder is a big scam. Shaq had to fight them like 3 months for a payout.
Yeah.
And I've told
Oh,
you
the
guys so many
latest scam.
times, if a prop firm takes more than 48 hours to pay you out, run away.
It's true.
With Vault Funder, you can ask the affiliates if they post their withdrawal request today. Within 24 hours, they have received their profits. Ask the funder traders if they post, if all their documentation is in place. It's literally a process of 24 to 36 hours. Their payment has been done. Nobody. And again, Chad, just facts again, factual statements. Vault Funder has yet to deny a single payout. Not a single payout has been denied. And if you want to be an affiliate, you apply to be an affiliate. You share your code. The guys have been doing very well. You can ask some of the affiliates. Anywhere between 6 to 20k, but yeah.
Chris, so everyone on the leaderboard is at the funder stage, right? Yeah, all
Yes.
accounts on the leaderboard are live
Yes.
accounts. They rejected 7 payouts to me, a total of 34k. Bro, if after they rejected the first one, you should have
Yeah,
left.
I should have run. Are there any discount codes? Do we have any discount codes? Just I haven't even checked. Let's see if I can see something. Chad, I know we had the vote VF, but that's not live anymore, eh, Keeks?
I have no clue, bro. That thing was alive forever. The
Chad.
NFP is done, eh?
NFP, yeah, NFP ended on Monday. Try TFE.
TFE.
Yeah, that's one I did for Shaq. I know that's a one, so you can use TFE. Just TFE, all capital letters. There are some beautiful. Let me actually have a look there. Jana, there's some killers there, Chad.
Where is this?
The leaderboard. The guys with the 140k accounts are like doing
snacking
numbers,
today.
bro. They are like doing numbers that some of the guys with the bigger accounts can't even do. So
Yeah.
I don't know what the 140 gang is doing, but they are doing some work there.
Nah, those boys are going hard, bro.
Why? Why can't I log into?
How do I become your affiliate? I always wanted to for you guys. So you don't become an affiliate for us. You can become an affiliate for Vault Funder. Just go on the website. Go to the affiliate section.
Later we'll do something.
What do you mean?
No, the 2Gs.
Oh yeah.
Later we can do like affiliate plugin.
yeah, go through there and then apply for the affiliates. 140k all the way. Hi TGs, how's your day been? It's been great, bro. Been a bit slow actually, but been good. Ooh, the gold cells are on their way.
We're buying. No, we're selling. That's the market today. No. We actually
To be fair,
buying again. It's been bad.
the thing is, that's the thing, guys. We add key areas. So, for example, like I said, if we closed above there, we got buys. Now you're breaking below here, you got sells.
No, it has been a bad day to be a swing trader. Like I said,
Oh, Moski's busy punching the egg in there, bro.
was he in a trade?
Yeah, he's in longs.
But from where though?
Over, I think, like at the weekly pivot.
Yeah, see that man
So
also.
he went long there. Then it went down. Then he got back to break even, and he.
Sheesh, Moski.
Let's see.
Chris, if gold hit that 2310, it will sell like you mentioned this morning. Yeah, I remember on the daily. No, but on the daily, I'm still. Yeah, sorry, below 2310. Yes, correct. I think then we'll just flush. Is there some data coming out now, Keeks?
At 7, nothing now.
Okay.
Oh, we got treasury, but that's a 6. Oh, nothing now.
Alrighty. Chatadonia.
I've been wanting those gold sounds from it. Oh, Fobs, you've been wanting them, bro.
Yo, bro, here's the thing. There's volatility, but I don't know. The markets have been something else, honestly.
No, putting 2Gs in a what? Bad position with that request. Wait, what request?
Wait, what did I see now?
I'm so confused. What are we talking about?
No, putting 2Gs in a bad position with that request.
Oh, please, 2Gs community. Everyone writes a bad review on Trustpilot for the Forex Fund. And now, my brother, you by yourself on that one.
Yeah, here's my thing though, Chad. Anyone that's been on the stream, and I'm going to give you guys the opportunity now to comment. There's only 2 prop firms we told you guys that we would recommend and that we trust. So please drop them now in the comment section for the guys that have been with us for a while. Please drop that in the comment section for the other boys. And here's the thing, we can help you with one of these 2 prop firms, but the other ones, like I said, at this stage it is cowboy world out there when it comes to prop firms. So
yeah. Vault Fund estimate is a world. Hey, see guys, they know what's up.
we've been preaching it, we've been saying it. So if you want to go somewhere else, great. But again, then don't come back and say, Chris Keeks, please go and write the bad review. when we said save your bucks, trade with one of these two.
Cool. Bro, I'm just gonna put in your screen going.
Okay. Vault Funder and FTMO. What about Funded next? Fine, Kyle, here's my thing. I've never yet. What I'm talking about is something that I've got experience about. I don't necessarily have time to go and test all of the other prop firms that you mentioned, but the ones that I've dealt with are these two, and these two are the ones that we trust. So for me to go through the process of giving an honest review about a prop firm, and not just a high level, oh no, they seem legit, oh no, they seem legit. Seeming legit and actually doing a thorough, robust review and a deep dive of the company is two different stories. So that is why we will never, unless we honestly have very robust information about a business, recommend anybody.
Damn, bro, gold's just going now.
Yeah.
To be fair, it still has that other zone amount, so I'm fine. We're chilling. Hey, Alex, how you doing, brother? Doing good this time, my man. How you? Thank you, Chris, for the live streams. It's improved my training skills a lot over the past few weeks, and I appreciate it a lot. Big ups to 2Gs and lots of love. Sharp, my man. Really appreciate the message, bro. Bro, which is crazy now, is I was like looking at if I just sell from where it is now.
Yeah.
30 pips, bro. A 30 pip stop is tiny.
Could you put it on your screen?
Look at this, bro. How small this looks.
Wait, where's your zone?
That's 30 pips.
Oh damn, is that your zone? 23.15.
Yeah.
Okay, 15
But otherwise,
minutes.
yeah, basically at the Asia lows.
Yo, bro, gold has now honestly confaculated everybody. Like I don't care how good you think you are. You got absolutely mollywopped now.
Adding more sales now. Hey, Alex. Yeah, I'm going to get in now with you, bro. I just want to see where this thing closes now by Asia lows. Yeah, 20 to 80, that's pretty similar to where my zone is.
Oh, this thing is just going for it now, eh? Yo.
park the bus there.
I see Rolio posted a new.
The one about Magi.
We obviously know what the outcome is going to be there, but
Okay, guys, this is gonna be a more riskier position, but I'm actually gonna go for it. I've taken a position, guys. I'm going for it. Going to be again a much more riskier one. We're gonna go with a 35 pip stop purely because of the volatility. This thing can literally wick us out in 2 seconds.
wait. Did you? Are you in?
Yeah, bro.
Wait. Let me just go. Oh, damn. Okay.
So literally, Chad, very, very risky a trade. This thing can literally stop.
But didn't you say below Asia lows?
Yeah, we wanted below Asia lows, but we're going off the idea of that initial
That
break.
zone.
So also the fact we have the zone and we've had 3 tests of
Okay.
it. 1, 2, 3. So you want to see that breakthrough come now. So just because of how volatile the markets are, that's the only thing I'm not happy with. Like I said, the range it is in this little area. Because this thing can jump very, very quickly. But if we go, we go for a nice trade, yeah, like a nice 1 to 3. So it can be a quick haircut.
20. Stop is 23.
Sauber is really gonna hit the stop now, so point. Better on the buys. Hey, guys, you gotta go with your feeling. We are still in on the summer, but yeah.
I don't think the sales are bad. After we broke through 2 grids, 23.20, 23.15, I would say
Chad, I'm still in that somehow. I have no clue, but I'm still in that somehow.
23.15. I would look for something there if we reject. Otherwise, I think if we get a continuation break. This, I would say, is the liquidity, and then once you get the break below 23.10, it could run.
Yeah, there I'm at, Chad. That one got me now. There you go, quick haircut. First loss for the week. Quick in and out. Wait, new 1 hour candle opened above current. Wait, what? The 1 hour candle? Yeah, I see what you're saying there. Bro, honestly, it's part of the game, guys. If that flip's gonna drive, yeah. The thing is, I say, guys, I'm not gonna change my thing and go, for example, like if I had to do that and go like a bloody 700 pip, a 70 pip stop. I'm not gonna change the plan. I already justified it, making it a little bit, adding 5 more pips, and it got wicked. Like I said, it's not the end of the world, guys. First trade of the week that we've taken an L on. So really chilled with that. Yeah. All that waiting for this. Hey, my boy.
Your tightest trader. Tight and right. I haven't seen your tightest trader yet.
Nah,
before.
he's a normal, yeah. New
Oh,
York
really?
session, yeah. Quarter
Really?
silent yesterday from 38.713. Hit TP1 and 2. Now just a small runner. Is that thing still dying off?
Kalen Machine.
Sheesh. That thing's still going.
Where did Kalen catch 38.7? Oi! Kalen catching a young Toporino. Sheesh. Kicks really throw on my screen.
There you go, brother.
Alright, Chad. Here we go. Remember I said 23.15. That is the level that I'm looking at. There's that break. There's the EMAs. That's also the crossover of the 80. So two things here. If we can get some type of rejection formation here, gonna look for potential shorts. And then obviously I feel like this is that's why I said I think Keegan's position can still play out. If we get a 5 minute that closes like this, then I think that's going to be the run for the daily lows. So two zones to monitor: continuation trade below here, and then obviously the reversal trade up here. But let's see. Nathan, we always swap seating positions during this time. Keegan, that's the pilot seat. Keegan is basically flying the plane. That PC is where you have the controls. There's actually a little joystick where Keegan controls the cameras, the lights. He throws over to the different screens. Hey, so your tightest trader, is he usually like that, Keegs?
Yeah.
Special. Really?
Bro, these guys always in New York session. We talk about, bro, they'll sit here the whole like week and they can't tune you because you hit TPs, and they'll wait for that day that they can say something.
All right, Chad, get ready. You guys might be in for a treat here. 2 haircuts one day.
You're also gonna go for it now.
Yeah, I'm gonna. So what I'm waiting for is, remember I said the continuation trade.
Brew, hold. I just want to show you. Guys, that literally.
That's why I said I like it. It's just that retest.
Just to give you an idea there, Chad. Hold on. That is literally, I think.
Where?
There's TP now. We literally got wicked and then hit TP. How is that, bro? Literally wicked and then to go get TP.
Okay, Chad. Here's what I'm waiting for. Again, this is something a little bit more aggressive. That the idea we've been playing with this week.
Jang plays. Stop loss placement was bad. Stop loss placement wasn't bad, brother. It's following rules.
It's just a very volatile session, my guy. Like we've been 5 minute candles have been $5. Keeks, quickly throw over to my screen. Here's my thing. I don't think the stop loss placement is bad. Again, this is a $5 5 minute candle. It's just volatile. Could he have maybe made it a little bit bigger? Could have 100% done that. Alrighty, Chad. Here's my thing. Here's the trade that I'm going for. Check the hourly. Hourly rejected there. Remember, I'm still bearish on gold. I'm bearish on the day. I'm talking cuck. I'm not bearish. I said if we stay below yesterday's low, I'm bearish. Okay, so I wasn't bearish to start today. This is the daily S1. We've already tested the daily pivot. This is the daily S1. Very, very okay. This is quite a big break from here. I would have loved it to park itself right here, but the idea here is going to be if this 5 minute closes like this and we get a nice little top wick, and on the flip we're going to take a short, expecting that volume to bring it through for us. That is if we first create a top wick. If we first create a bottom wick, no trade for me. Top wick, then I'm going to have sell stops on the low of the new candle, and then we're going to expect price to drive through here, and I then expect this area to bring a lot of volume. That is the expectation. All right. I can lose 25 pips. I gave you 25 pips this morning. Kicks, I've got 25 pips credit. I'm just saying, my account, I've got 25 pips to lose here.
You have 25 pips to lose.
25 pips, that's going to be my stop. So, all right, okay. No top wick, beautiful. No trade. Thank you for coming.
So when Keeks off topic, about how long have you been working out for? Yo, bro, I started going to the gym when I was 16. So was that 9 years? 9 years.
Alrighty.
9 years, yeah. I had like a lot of like up and down. So like I picked up, then I lost weight, then I'd pick up, then I lost weight, then like I just got like really, really fit. Then I picked up fat in COVID. Then I got big again, then I got small and bigger. Like my weight's always fluctuating. I've been gym for 9 years, but like it's not like a consistent, like all I did was try grow for 9 years. Yo guys, honestly, I appreciate the love, but like I said, that's part of the game. I mean, if you think of it that way, I lost 35 pips, which was 1%, and now look how much I've gained this week. I'm really chilling. But again, like what Tissy was saying, that's why I said it's not a bad stop loss placement. It was following rules. I normally, if you guys know me, I place a 30 pip stop. We used an extra 30, we added an extra 5 because of volatility, and that's it. It's part of the game. No, bro, there you go. Lost was just my school fees, 100%. The cost of doing business sometimes. Wait, where are you taking it from?
No, I'm not taking shit here, my bro. I was looking for there's not even a top wick on this 5. I told the guys if we opened up, we first created a top wick, and then on the flip I would have had a sell stop there. Okay. And then I was I'm still expecting it, I'm just not in it. And then I'm expecting once we get into this level, this is where the volume is going to come in. But by that stage, we are already break even.
Yeah.
That is where the liquidity is sitting. That is where the buyers are going to think, listen here, let me get into some buys here. That is when the penetration starts, where the broker starts penetrating your margin and your account.
Sheldon, why do I use a fixed amount of pips? So, brother, the thing is, I do and I don't. So kind of example, if I'm taking a trade off of my key area, then I'll do it. So for example, the trades I think we had on Monday and Tuesday, we were taking them on our key areas. So for example, on the screen quickly, I'm going to take this guys off. You saw it, we're not hiding it, just moving it for now while you're focused here. Like let's just say we took the sell on the break of the structure. Then, for example, I would have made it like that 50 pip, for example, to be up here. So it would have been on the top wick, because if we had to fail on the resistance and trade back up, obviously if your trade becomes invalid because you've gone for the top wick, you've also got a lot of momentum to come back up then. So we would round it up, we probably would have done a 50 pip stop and worked that out. And just again, your 1-to-1, which would have been obviously there, you could have just aimed Asia lows. But the thing is, because we took the trade down, there's two options. Now, you're not taking off the key level, you're taking off a break of this, anticipating the next break. So you're expecting the volume to be coming in. So what then I do is then I'll use my static amount, which I've always used on this pair. So for example, I work out on the pair what an average amount of my trades is, where obviously if it goes my way, it doesn't, type of thing. And you can work it out. So for example, that's what I said, with gold, I've worked out that a good average for me is 30 pips and the move will always go my way. So like, for example, Monday and Tuesday, I think the 30 pip worked out perfectly for us each time. But again, that's just how it plays out. So it comes and goes. That's obviously part of the game, part of your journey, and that's how you can build a win rate, things like that, because you got to be consistent. So yes, when I'm taking these bigger trades and off a key level, 100%, yes, then I'm using structure. But when it's kind of continuation trades, anticipating breakouts, things like that, then it's a bit of a different story. But Keegs, lovely call on Nas. Hey, oh, they're damn. There's the Nas.
What did you call on
that Nas selling? They're just going to have the break rate today because there's no news to hold it up today.
Hey.
And you can follow USD to go test this zone.
Hey, Keegs. Calling stuff here like
time for coffee. Yeah.
Hey, Chad. Now there's already
until I also risked 30 pips on USD.
I don't know. I see you asking me how long does the withdrawal request take, brother. Relatively quick. Not 15 minutes quick. You place the withdrawal 4 o'clock, so at least give them a little bit of time. I don't even think your wife will reply in 15 minutes if she's busy at work. But yeah, give them a little bit of time. You shouldn't have an issue. Even yesterday during a very, very busy day, I told Keegs did my withdrawal literally hit before I got home. As I got home, Chad, there's still an opportunity here for a short 23.10. That liquidity is building here below 23.05, 23.10. That's literally Asia lows. That's the daily S1. If we reject there, I'm gonna look for something aggressive there. We are not done yet. Yet. What did I want to say? We're not done yet. Yeti. Chad, what do you guys think about the Darren interview? Do you think we should get... I don't know. Here's my thing. Chad, I'm going to be very honest with you. Darren, I don't really have an issue with. My issue is with Mr. Ferrari man. Darren, I don't really... I think it's that... I would love to rip into Joash, but Joash is just a soft little guy. He would never come on a podcast. That's the thing. Darren, here's the thing. It's not gonna be buddy. We're gonna ask some hard questions, and it's gonna be truthful. We've always said we don't mind anybody. If you're willing to come on a pod with us and willing to answer some difficult questions, much respect. And I think the community will respect that as well. So Keegs, I don't know about you. I don't even want Joash on a podcast.
Thing is, if he even thought about it, I can tell you now there's going to be a bunch of rules. Like, we're not going to talk this, we're not going to talk that.
No.
You can't ask me this, you can't. And we don't want that. So yeah, there's no plan on having that man on.
I've said it before, Darren, the only guy we've taken jabs at that has not
Blocked us.
yeah.
He hasn't run away.
Him accepting the live, I don't know if that was planned. I think he was thinking it's another Keeks, because when I looked at his face, he looked a little bit like, oh yeah, what did I do now? Like I opened myself up to some volatility here.
And you can't back off there.
Bro, that is when your child accidentally open up a 10 lot on gold and you're already in drawdown and you're hoping, I can't blow this 100,000 Rand account. This was actually my son's little nest egg for when he goes to university, and it's your son that pressed the button. Now it's like, oh son, young son, you maybe not even going to university, my boy. There goes your little your little university plan.
You look more young when you are close to camera. Wait, who we talking about?
Keeks. I think Keeks.
The Mo cut the loss. I know what Mo did. He thought he was going to get through some volitoli. I have to apologize, my English not that good. How does that English have anything to do
You
with
look
it?
more young. I hope you're talking about me. I hope you are saying I look more young. Keegan actually looks like a baby when I look at the screen here. Sitting down low, it almost looks... Keegs, this thing makes you look tiny, my bro.
It does me dirty, bro.
Yo, Keegs looks tiny, and then when people come in here, they're like, damn, Keegan is a unit. Chad, whether that happens, I told you guys from the start, I would love to have Darren and Joash on, but individually. But then after Joash blocked me, I was like, nah, bro, this guy is a child.
Hey, there comes those nice cells, guys. Damn, why don't we take that?
I don't know, because people say you have a baby face. Your face is as soft as a baby's. Somebody's saying, who's Miles Teller?
Wait, I think I know who. Wait.
Miles
hold
Teller.
on.
Somebody said, I think
If
it's
that
the
is
same
the
guy.
guy I'm thinking of,
Miles.
I'll take that, bro. I'll take that.
No. Guys,
Hey, I'll take that one, Chad. I will take that one.
nah, bro.
Miles is a G.
Nah, bro. Keegan doesn't look like Miles.
What you saying, bro? What is I need the mustache?
Nah, bro. No, but Miles, I love Miles. Didn't he play in...
Rooster. He was in the new Maverick.
yeah, but there's also another
He's played in
movie.
a lot of movies, bro.
Wasn't it the one...
Bro, Jason, one of the best movies, if you've seen it, bro. That awkward moment where he plays it with Zac Efron. Bro, he's so funny in that movie.
Chad, one of the best movies for me till this day is Inglourious Bastards. Brad Pitt. Inglourious Bastards. Please tell me you know it, bro. You should know it. No, man.
I don't know that.
No, man. Huh?
Okay, if this is like from your childhood, then like, of course I'm not gonna know it.
Bro, don't you know Inglourious Bastards?
No.
Keeks, you have
It's
to
not
watch.
ringing a bell.
Chad, you guys must know it. Oh, Roadhouse is horrendous. As much as I love my boy Conor McGregor, that movie. Yo. Keeks,
Scalper Steve, just hang out and you'll eventually learn one day, bro.
Keeks, do you know what? Here's the thing with Conor. Imagine if there were sweaty tryhards in the movie industry.
Yeah.
That is Conor McGregor in Roadhouse.
Funny enough, I still haven't watched it there.
Don't waste your time.
No, but
please,
that's
please
why
don't.
I was really keen, and then everyone just told me like it's not that
Yo,
good.
bro. No,
And I
no,
was
no.
like, alright, so
Let me tell you, I'm somebody that will sit through a movie. That is one of the first movies where halfway through I told my wife, how will I ever get this hour and 10 minutes back? Like I lost the hour and 10 minutes of my life.
Wrenches just sort out Scalper Steve. He doesn't want to listen.
Scalper Steve. Steve, we will see you at the cross, my brother. I have now officially sent you into the metaverse. You see the wrenches, I've got a smaller hammer, and then I've got a big hammer like Thor. And that hammer, you don't come back from that. So you will literally never ever see Scalper Steve be able. He's watching us. He's still typing there, but Steve, we cannot see you, my brother. So, Steve, we salute you, my brother. May you be blessed.
Sure. Guys, honestly, if anyone did take those NAS cells, that is beautiful. Tropical Thunder. Where are you guys coming up with these movie names?
I've heard of, yeah, I know Tropical Thunder. Chris has a BBC hammer. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, now I forgot Inglourious Bastards is way before your time, but it's a classic. You have to watch it.
I'll check it out.
Chad, that is basically what I'm going to try and do with my hair. You see what Brad Pitt's hair looks like in Inglourious Bastards? That's the Kicks. Here's the look I'm going for.
Is that what you're going for?
Check it.
I can see it there.
That's the look.
Shee.
Bro, what a movie. I can't believe you haven't watched it, man. Dude.
I'll check it out. I'll make sure it's here. Yeah, bro, I think that's pretty much the session for me though. There's nothing gonna happen, yeah. But I'm not gonna take anything now. USD is dead. NAS, I mean that we've missed the sell. Gold, I don't want to buy from there. I mean DXY is going for that gap fill, so yeah. Pretty much. I don't know, Chris. Is there anything you seen there, brother?
I said it from the start of the session, the charts do not look clean. This move down on US30, just one straight move. The move down on Nasdaq, no retest lows, no retest of the previous daily high. It is just one way down. I don't know how you could have taken this. Maybe you took it off Asia highs. I don't know. There's no way I would have entered any of this. US30, there's no way I would have entered any of that. There's a previous daily low. Yeah, it is. Gold, we obviously had that there. I don't necessarily trade these double top formations. Also, the 80 was bullish at that stage. I was looking for something here. Yeah, it's so late in the session. I don't want to. Here's my thing, Chad. No top wick on that 5 minute. The hourly, where's the hourly flip? Okay, the hourly flip is there, 23.10. If you really want to get your powder wet and you really want to get stuck into something here, if this 5 minute candle closes, creates a top wick, flips bearish, it can go down. But then on the other hand, you've got this 23.15 that is untested. This entire zone is literally untested. So looking at this could basically be a failed breakout to the downside. I don't know, Chad. It's not clean.
You have it, Chad.
2 minutes. Yeah, I know.
Oh,
At what stage do gamblers say?
Enough, guys. We know when to quit.
Why did you not re-enter? No, the idea was with the first one. The markets change.
Yeah. When the thing is, remember, once you look at it now, that's not conditions that would give me an entry criteria. So that's, yeah. But yeah, I think Chris, shot for joining us today, brother. Good having you on here. Guys, honestly, I think we're going to just have a bit of issues with some trading the rest of the week while we start pricing everything that's happened. But everything, I mean, we've had a great week, so literally see if we can finish strong tomorrow. Chris, any closing remarks here, brother?
Chad, thank you so much, guys. It has been an awesome week. CPI went very well. Project G members all know what we are looking for in terms of fundamentals for the rest of this quarter. If you don't know what Project G is, check the description of this video. We've got a long weekend ahead, no streams on Monday, still doing a double session tomorrow morning and evening. 24-hour stream coming up on the 11th of July. Ultimate Trader launching on Monday. There's a lot happening here. Shot my brother. And I hope you guys can support all of the initiatives we do. Ultimately, it's all for you guys, and we try and create as much value as we can. So yeah, do drop a like, subscribe if you have not done so. Hopefully, if we have not hit 10k by the time we do the 24-hour stream on the day, that would be beautiful if we can hit it during the 24-hour stream. And yeah, that's me.
There we go, Chad.
Really appreciate it. Thanks, guys. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, so I think that's a nice little wrap up there. We're going to still go strong. It's been a good week, so nothing to cry about. But again, if you are missing out Prodigy, I think keep an eye out. We might be posting something today with the website officially going live. So just keep an eye on the socials if you don't want to miss out. If you want to finally join the trading community that's making a difference at the moment. So other than that, guys.
Sorry, Keeks, just one more thing. Chad, we are looking for Dota players. Our team captain, Robin Hitchcock. Let me just get his Discord name. Chad, let me just... Lethal Jukes. So Lethal Jukes, in the gaming channel, we are looking for... Online tonight, stay tuned for the time. Okay, we are looking for players. Please, guys, we are going to do, once we're in the new office, I'm going to do merch. We're going to do like some tags for the gaming community. And then Keeks, I don't know when he's ready to do the first person shooter. But yeah, we're
gonna do it soon, guys.
I would love to sponsor a Dota 2 team. That would be sick. Imagine a 2G's at TI. 2G's gaming.
But yeah, guys, and yeah, we got some cool ideas coming up. So especially for the PE guys, just keep a lookout. You don't know, we might be popping up around the places, so just keep an eye out for us. But other than that, guys, peace and love, baby. We'll see you guys tomorrow to finish off this week. See you then, Chad. Cheers.
Sorry, Jax. What is Jax? Where's Jax? What's happening here? What is Jax saying? Chalked support group. I don't see. Where did we miss Jax? No, man, Jax. What's happening here? What support group? Hey, anyways, chat. Peace and love, baby. See you guys later.